Since 2006,
So,
I became a patient of Dr. Frey. My daughter and I, we both had TMJ, and I needed a lot of reconstruction work done on my teeth. And we went from, came in, and we had consultation, and then I had complete restoration done on my teeth with complete implants where needed. And it's been over 16 years since I had the work done. And now I'm back for like maintenance, just keeping it up. And I'm due for a couple more replacement, and just keeping it up, keeping the maintenance up. I'm very satisfied. Well, I had a lot of dental work that was done but not correctly, and it was causing the TMJ, and it was causing me to have headaches and pain on the side, and the dental work was not really done properly. And so a lot of it had to be reconstructed. And it was wonderful that I found Dr. Frey, because he just made me feel very comfortable, and I had a lot of confidence in him, and so I went with him, and my daughter got on board with us, and we both got our teeth done that year. And we loved it. I'm still here with him. Very well, very happy. I mean, I think Dr. Frey is the only doctor I could say that I've had that has a lot of patience, and he listens to you. You know, he cares what you look like. He cares the right setting in your mouth, and that the teeth are not too big, not too small. They fit the frame of your face, and he's always there for you. I mean, he knows who I am, and sometimes I'm not an easy patient, which I think I am sometimes, but the door is always open if I have an emergency. He finds a way to put me in there, and I'm still with him, and I'm going to continue to stay with him. And if people ask me, they look at my smile sometimes, and I tell them where I get my teeth done. I think they should find a good doctor, or at least come in and talk to Dr. Frey, see what he has to offer, and see what options he has for them, and try it. That's what I did, and I stayed, and I've been here since 2006. It's been a long time, and I'm still here. I just want to say thank you, Dr. Frey, for sticking with me and keeping my smile going and being so patient with me. Love you, Dr. Frey.